Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So down in front of me here is, I guess it's 2-inch plate. Sam next door at SRS was nice enough. He had these crops laying out there for who knows how long and said, take them and use them if you can. These are gonna be the mounts for the wings on Golspar. So we gotta get used to calling them Golspar. The owner wants to stick with that, and I think it's kind of a cool old dragon name, Golspar. So Golspar is getting some shoulders. That's the final thing in fabrication that we have to do to the physical body, is add the shoulders and the wing mounts where the wings are gonna mount. And then it's just build the wings to attach. So we're gonna drill 1.125" holes with our Hogan drill. And we have, I think it's 12 holes on each plate. We're gonna match them up, and then we're gonna put the big grade 8 bolts through, and then we'll bolt it and torque it from inside, and you won't see how the wings are bolted on. So that's our day. Hopefully this one fits. Ah, see, this one doesn't fit.
Too small.
Yeah. I'm a 1/4 inch on this side. Not really here, but definitely here.
That one looks a lot narrower.
Oh shit.
What about these two?
Uh-oh. This one is just big enough. Yeah, I need 23.5. That's only 22.5, so that's a full inch smaller. That one is definitely no good to me. So I need 23.5. I gotta go look at them again. Because that one, I can't use that. The only other option is I make a whole new template and make them smaller.
You don't want to do that, do you?
No. Of course, I can't measure only the top one. See, that's too small. There. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, plug me in with the magnet, will you, when I get over here? Just on the floor over here. We're about 3/4 of the way through. I think we're about 3/4 of the way through, so this should be the final cut now. Wow. These are big ass holes. A little more. Now just do that 50 more times. Right on, right on. Hogan saves the day. Thank you, Hogan, for an amazing drill. Now Michelle is gonna do the rest for me while I do other things. So Michelle's gonna set up and show you guys her hole drilling capabilities. Once the drilling is done, I climb into the belly of the beast. This is the spine of Golspar. It's tight quarters in here, and gravity is fighting me every inch of the way. But I can't rush these structural welds. I just watch the puddle, control the heat, and make sure that skeleton is gonna hold for 100 years. It's a rhythm. Hood down, arc strike, hood up. You're constantly checking for distortion. And when you pour this much heat into the structure, the steel wants to move. My job is to tell it exactly where to stay. Josh had a brace welded in there, and I had to put a plate on there, otherwise there'd be no way of getting the tail off. So I made a extra strong brace coming off the rear end, giving it some upward force for the tail to hold the weight. And yeah, I think it'll work good. The tail will remove in here, so now I'm ready to start putting the mounting plates on and fixing that ring. So that ring basically what happened is when we rolled the ring, the two ends are probably bent a little bit much and they don't flow, they kind of kick down a bit. So I'm going to take another ring we have rolled and take a section out of that, because I want them to have a flush fit. Makes skinning easier, and it makes the joint look smoother when it's all welded or when it's all fitted together. I want the seam where the tail is to be almost non-existent, so you can hardly tell where the tail and the body starts. And I might even try to overlap them a little bit on this one. So. Fit up is everything. If the gap isn't right, the weld won't lie flat. I have to force this new section to flow perfectly with the old roll. Clamp it, persuade it with the hammer, tack it. It has to look like one continuous line of steel, or it'll drive me crazy every time I look at it. I'd say that looks pretty strong. I have to step back. I get so focused on the inch in front of my nose that I forget the massive creature I'm building. I'll have to figure out where I'm putting lifting eyes too. I gotta have lifting eyes in this thing.
Yeah.
I think we have a bin with some lifting eyes in the back, and we'll use them up on here and then figure out what we need. I'm looking for flow. I'm looking for the gesture. Even as a skeleton, he needs to look really powerful. Yeah, I suppose I could do one more over here.
Huh? I think so. And you got mount on here.
It's all welded on this side. The tail is welded on this side.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I just got to weld the other side now.
Just been a busy beaver. The wing plates. All the holes in the wing plates. 2 wing plates. With the mag drill.
Get busy. You could have had them done by now. It's been a lot of filming and dawdling today. I'm getting half an effort from Michelle. Half an effort. Now we shift gears. We're done with the heavy structural plate and we start sketching. That's what this is, 3D sketching with steel rod. We're laying out the toes, the claws, contact point where this dragon is going to grip the earth. This is the part that's pure feel. The template gives me the footprint, but the volume, that comes from my eye. I'm building up the knuckles of the foot. It can't just look like a block. It needs tension. It needs to look like there's muscle and bone under the skin. It looks chaotic at first, just a mess of lines, but every one of these strips represents a contour. We tack it lightly. If it doesn't look right, we cut it and move it. Keep refining it until the personality starts to push through. Michelle's got a great eye for this. We're building the volume up layer by layer. This wireframe is the roadmap for the skinning later. If we get the curves right here, the sheet metal will wrap around it like a glove. If you get it wrong, well, we don't get it wrong. Look at that stance, it's aggressive. Even just in wire, you can see the weight of the dragon pressing down. That's the magic of it, taking cold, hard steel and making it look like it's ready to pounce. There's still a long road ahead, but today, well, today we got foundation.